Do-it-yourself Del here with another foodie of Al. And today we're going vegetarian, and at the BK here, and I know it's in here, but I also got a drink which I'm going to try first. I think it's lemonade. Which it is. So let's take a look. Napkins, receipt. Oh, fries, all right. That's some French, some ketchup someplace. And if you've never had one, well, you probably had a Whopper, but you might not have had an Impossible Burger Whopper. And the idea behind that is that it is it's vegetarian. So there's some people that just don't care for meat because what they do to animals in the Chicago stockyards, or because of what they feed animals. They're in business to make money, so they feed them antibiotics so they don't get sick, and they feed them hormones so that they grow good and they make more money that way. But with the meatless, you don't have to worry about that if you're a certain type of person. So let's see what this tastes like. And you can see the onions coming out. You can see a little bit of ketchup there. And bad. And basically, you don't have to do anything to it. It comes with everything on it. It comes with your tomatoes and your sauce that you put on top of there, and the lettuce, and of course the veggie burger. Got the sesame seed bun, and it tastes as good as it looks. I normally don't eat tomatoes except for on pizzas and in this type of thing. And but I mean, everything here tastes good. If you like hamburgers, this is for you. I only got some fries. Normally I have fries with ketchup. Check out their fries. When I try to put fries in when I bake them myself in my oven, you would think that they'd taste better. But not only do they not taste better, it takes a while to preheat the oven, and then it takes a while. I put them on a grated pizza pan so that heat can come up through the grates and really fry the fries. And according to the time limits on the package, on the instruction, they just don't taste well. They don't seem to be thoroughly cooked, and or sometimes they get overcooked. And this is a better way to go, I think. It's a lot better way. You do have to watch it though, because sometimes stuff starts falling out the side or the back if you're not watching it. And the sauce tastes really good. And you can taste it's all in the right combinations. You can taste if you like the tomatoes, if you like the veggie burger, if you like the sauce and the salad with it. You can taste it all. Nothing gets masked out or overpowered by the others. Everything in the right combinations. So I don't normally eat this way. This is a treat for me, and it's really it's just fabulous. And it's got pickles in it as well. And sometimes when you bite into it, you think you're gonna take just that chunk out, but sometimes other stuff is in there, like that last one. the pickle kept coming. I had to kind of adjust for it to get it to come out. And sometimes it's just nice and neat. And sometimes you make a mess of yourself while you're eating it. Well, if you're having fun, who cares? So I hope this helps. I think BK was the first to have this. And I thought it was just a fabulous idea because there's so many people that look at medicine holistically speaking, and they're different in their eating habits as well, and for various reasons they don't eat red meat and you know, all the way down the line. And these people, this is the one more treat for people like that. It used to be going to a restaurant that had vegetarian entrees. There were far and few between, but now it's like a lot of other things have changed. So this is one of the items, the product of that kind of evolutionary changes in eating habits, and I think it's a really great thing. I'll try to get most of it in my mouth and not on me, in me and not on me. But again, you can see the tomato, you can see the lettuce. Normally I'd be eating this faster, it would probably be gone, but I have to eat and talk at the same time, which I don't recommend doing. But when your producer indicates that's what needs to be done, that's what I guess you got to suffer through it. Yeah, onions sticking out the back there. Right. I'll take care of that. Tomato sticking out the front. I think this is Thousand Island dressing, right? Okay, Thousand Island. When I was a kid, that was my favorite kind of dressing. And so, any more to be said?
Would you say it's a good substitute for just a regular meat burger?
I don't see a big difference because whether you custom cook a vegetarian burger on your own and put soy sauce in or a couple other ingredients, and it tastes pretty well, but a lot of things about hamburgers are just the accoutrement. Your ketchup and your mustard and your salad and whatever, pickles and cheese and tomatoes and so forth. As far as I know, do they have cheese ones also?
How do you mean? Just like cheese in the burger itself?
Yeah.
Not that I know of. It is an animal product, so I suppose you'd maybe want to.
Oh yeah,
that.
That's something I didn't mention is, true vegans, any sort of animal product is taboo with them. But I'm just a semi. I still eat fish. I still eat dairy, and I just gave up red meat. And I don't really miss it that much, but I did eat it before, but I have no problems with this. And so I recommend it, even if you're a regular meat eater, you'd probably enjoy this. You know. Now have I exhausted everything? So, do it yourself. Del signing off. Thumb up and share.